See right here. See? See,
Right.
it's still solid.
Cause she asked me about this car and
Yeah, take a picture of it, and then you can take a picture after we sandblast it so you can see the difference.
okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
The only deal is, you know how women hate keep spending money on something they don't want. Right or wrong, Sam? If you were spending money on something they want, then you can spend all the money you got. They're not even going to say how you're going to pay for it. No. All right. Can we afford it? If you definitely want to buy $5 piece for that car, what are you going to need the money for?
She told me to hurry up and get it fixed now because she ready to drive on Sundays.
Okay. I'm going to drive. They don't like it when it looks like that.
Nah, as soon as it go to looking good, she want to get in it.
It's not going to get clear off. All that clear off the trunk, it looks better. If I had all that clear shit on the top,
Motion.